In this video, I'm going to show you how you can print a document straight from Grammarly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So I have here an article that I've just written and I'd like to go ahead and print it. To do so, first go ahead and open the document and go through it to make sure that you have made all the necessary changes and corrections as you wanted. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on this menu here, and this will disclose a lot of functions that you can use. One of the functions that is available on this tool is print. To print this document direct from Grammarly, go ahead and click on print, and then this will go ahead and show you a preview of your document. Now, one thing you have to note is that if you are using a free account, it will have a Grammarly watermark on top here and also the URL link here. Here you'll also be able to see the number of pages that you can print. Once you're okay, if you want to print all of them, go ahead and click on print, and then this will go ahead and print your copies. So that's how you print your document straight from Grammarly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.